death penalty for being gay. Yes, you heard that right. The Ugandan government came up with one of the world's toughest anti-LGBTQ laws, including the death penalty for, quote, aggravated homosexuality. Same-sex relations were already illegal in Uganda, as in more than 30 African countries. But the new law goes further. It stipulates capital punishment for so-called serial offenders against the law and transmission of a terminal illness like HIV/AIDS through gay sexual intercourse. It also decrees a 20-year sentence for promoting homosexuality. Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni drew Western condemnation after signing the law. United States President Joe Biden called the move a tragic violation of human rights and said that Washington would evaluate the implications of the law on all aspects of US engagement with Uganda. A presidency photo of Museveni showed him signing the law with a golden pen at his desk. The 78-year-old has called homosexuality a deviation from normal and urged lawmakers to resist what he called imperialist pressure. Reports said that a local organization, Human Rights Awareness and Promotion Forum, and 10 other individuals later filed a complaint against the law at the Constitutional Court. Museveni had sent the original bill passed in March back, asking Parliament to tone down some provisions. But his ultimate approval was not seen as in doubt in a conservative country where anti-LGBTQ attitudes have hardened in recent years, in part due to campaigning by Western evangelical church groups. Reports said that Uganda receives billions of dollars in foreign aid each year and could now face adverse measures from donors and investors, as happened with a similar bill 9 years ago. It is also being anticipated that Uganda's move could encourage lawmakers in neighboring countries like Kenya and Tanzania to seek similar measures against the LGBTQ community. This issue has been a long-running one in Uganda. A less restrictive 2014 anti-LGBTQ law was struck down by a Ugandan court on procedural ground after Western governments had initially suspended some aid, imposed visa restrictions, and curtailed security cooperation. In 2009, a bill dubbed, quote, Kill the Gays, for initially proposing executing homosexuals was introduced after a conference in Kampala drew representatives from the United States, as well as religious campaigning. In addition to campaigning, Africa's anti-LGBTQ attitudes also have their roots in the colonial era, including an anti-sodomy section of Britain's penal code. By the time the UK legalized same-sex acts in 1967, many former colonies were independent and did not inherit the legal change. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.